Hi, I'm Sahra Ceylan. I'm a freshman industrial engineering student in Bilkent University. Today I'm gonna present my Physics 102 lab project. Name of the experiment is changing capacitance, and the main purpose of the experiment is measuring the effect of the distance between the conductors and the dielectric coefficient of the material between conductors in capacitors with different surface areas. Required equipment for this experiment is multimeter, crocodile cables, cardboard, aluminium foil, ruler, styrofoam, and paper. First, I adjusted the distance between the conductors one by one as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 centimeters, and took note of the capacitance values I measured with a multimeter. While doing this step of the experiment, I kept the area of the conductors constant at 0.0441 meters square. Keeping the distance between the conductors constant at 3 centimeters, I measured again with conductors whose areas were 0.031, 0.0441, and 0.0484 meters squares. Finally, I measured the capacitance values again by keeping the area of the conductors as 0.0441 meters squares and the distance between them as 3 centimeters, and placing styrofoam and paper with different dielectric coefficients between the conductors. While the dielectric coefficient of styrofoam is 2.5, the dielectric coefficient of paper is 3. When the area of the conductors is constant and 0.0441 meters square, I calculated the theoretical capacitance to figure out the error percentages. Error percentages between 12.56 and 31.16%. When the distance between the conductors is constant and 3 centimeters, I calculated the theoretical capacitance to figure out the error percentages again. Error percentage is between 23.72 and 32.77%. When the distance between the conductors is constant 3 centimeters and the area of the conductors is 0.0441 meters square, I put styrofoam and paper between the conductors. Calculating the theoretical capacitance, I found out the error percentages, and error percentages is between 23.98 and 26.85%. As a result, when I drew the graphs with this data, I saw that the distance between the conductors and the capacitance value are inversely proportional. However, the area of the conductors and the capacitance value of the conductors are directly proportional.